Hello again, I'm John Wenzel, co-founder Archvest Wealth Advisors, and today wanted to share with you a little bit on the probate process and what that looks like. This is a follow-up video to a prior video that I had made regarding an estate plan and the outlines of it. So I'd encourage you to watch that video as well to get a full picture of what we're discussing today. So in the prior video I had mentioned probate, and what I want to talk about today is really what does that process mean? Is everyone subject to it? And is it something that can be avoidable? So you may be thinking to yourself, well, what assets are subject to probate and what does this all mean? Well, the assets that will be subject to probate are primarily assets held individually. This would be investment accounts, could be bank accounts, again, stocks owned outright by yourself in terms of the securities, could be individual bonds, could even be your house. If you own your house, depending on the type of ownership you have on your house. So, is probate avoidable? The simple answer is yes, it is. It's avoidable through a trust. It's also avoidable by appropriately naming your beneficiaries through what's known as either a POD or a TOD. POD meaning payable upon death, or TOD meaning transfer upon death. In addition, you may be thinking to yourself, well, my spouse and I have our assets together, and if one passes away, well, I should be able to get those assets outright. Well, that could be the case, and you might be able to streamline the probate process depending on how those assets were titled. If in the event they didn't have a clear beneficiary, you can get what's known as a spousal petition that could potentially be filed. But in this case, and as you're getting into probate, if you think you're subject to something like that, we would highly encourage you to speak with a legal professional and or an attorney to make sure you're working through that process correctly. Of course, we always encourage any questions, comment, or feedback, hit us up in the contact us, and we'd be happy to get back to you and try to help you out as we can. So thank you for watching today. Bye-bye.